I made all of this money purely from deving meme coins in 2026, and I'm here to show you how it's done all in this video. If you are tired of losing from trading meme coins and you want to start winning, well, this video is for you. It's only for the people who want to start deving. Now guys, there's a reason why I do not trade meme coins at all. I just dev. That's because 95% of all meme coins end up going to 80% down their value, and that's because the devs are all selling their supply on all the traders, and that's the reality of things. All the devs are going to make way more than the traders. That is the complete truth, because they're the ones launching these coins. They're the ones having control over everything. We as devs, we just launch coins, wait for people to buy in, and when the volume is high, we cash out, and we do that over and over again. Okay, and yeah, that's why I do not trade anymore. And I am making this video to show exactly how to start deving, how to launch your meme coin, find a narrative, market your coin organically, and then I will do a live example to make sure that you are not completely lost, okay, and to show you that it actually works. Anyways, let's get right into the video. And by the way, bro, this entire video is made for educational purposes only. I am not a fucking financial advisor. I'm just here to expose the method, and that's it, okay? Do your own research. Cap. Now, most people launch their meme coins on the Pump.Fun DEX. Now, it could be smart if you have a viral narrative and if you have a community, but people like you and me, okay, do not launch coins here because we have no attention, okay? If you launch a meme coin, it will go nowhere. No one will buy it, okay? Now, the main goal as a dev is to get your coin on the Raydium DEX. If you guys do not know what the Raydium DEX is by now, well, it's the DEX where when coins reach a $55,000 market cap, it gets leveled up to Raydium, where real attention and a bunch of liquidity are waiting to buy your coin. And yes, bro, the strategy here, okay, that I use every single day to get free attention and organic traffic is to launch my coins to Raydium. Now, using Pump.Fun, that is almost impossible because your coin needs to reach a $55,000 market cap. That's why I launch on Create Meme.io. Every single coin that gets launched on Create Meme goes to Raydium and gets immediately migrated. That's why a bunch of people are using this launchpad to dev meme coins, and it's fucking gate kept. Okay, now to make a coin, you could either create one from scratch or you can vamp a coin. I personally create coins sometimes, but I would personally recommend to copy coins. Okay, I copy around 3 to 5 coins every single day, which converts me personally $1,000 a day to $5,000 a day. It depends if the coin goes viral, but basically all these coins are all going viral on Pump.Fun. They all have a good narrative and they're all gaining a bunch of attention on Pump.Fun. And the strategy here is to copy any coin that you want back to Raydium, and then you can make a bunch of money on your coin, okay, potentially, because you're copying viral coins. And that's exactly why I recommend to copy trending coins. And I will even do a live example. And by the way, bro, it's obviously for educational purposes only. You do you. Alright guys, now it's time for the moment that everyone was waiting for, and that is copying a coin. We will be copying a coin, launching it on the Solana blockchain, and then we will look at the chart and see how much we can make within an interval of 10 to 20 minutes. Now, copy your, connect your coin, click on refresh, choose the Raydium DEX, right? It should be automatically selected, and look for a coin to copy. I'm gonna copy the Pippin coin, right? It looks not bad. Click copy the Raydium, wait for a phantom to show up on the right hand side, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm or understand, confirm, and then the coin should be created, right? Just give it some time for it to load. Okay, and boom, now it's time to create our liquidity pool for the meme coin. Now this page right here is where we create the Raydium liquidity pool. Once it goes live, it will go to Raydium and it will be shown to tens and thousands of people. Okay, now for the amount of Pippin coins, click on the middle button right here, 90%. That is going to be whatever 90% is for the pool. Right under for the amount of SOL to pair, that is the Solana that you will be using to buy your own coin and to exchange for supply for yourself. You will be making profits from the supply, obviously, so you need to own supply in your own coin. I would highly recommend anywhere from 0.3 SOL to 1 SOL to put here. I'm going to put 0.3 SOL, and you are not losing anything here. If you want to cash out your profits and you're only up $0, right? If you are only break even, well, you can just cash it out and you will get this money back later. So click on create pool, wait for your phantom wallet to show up in a couple of seconds. Hello. And then ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. After that, bro, click on the refresh button and then scroll down and boom, the Pippin coin is live. Your PNL is going to be right there. And if you click on refresh, well, that is going to refresh all your metrics and bang, bro, we're already up $150 because a bunch of people are liking our narrative and they are basically investing early for it. I mean, yeah, they're just buying our coin, right? It's pretty simple. We have a good narrative since we copied a viral narrative, and then people are buying in just organically. Click on view on Photon, or you can go on Axum, it's up to you. Let me go on full screen for a better view of the coin. It should load in a couple of seconds, okay? Just give it some time. And as you guys can see, guys, the coin is on live, okay? Oh my god, we're getting a bunch of buyers. This right here should be $200, I think, if I had to guess. I think we're up like $300 at the moment, which is not too shabby. Now guys, do not get emotional, okay? Remember that this coin costed us $0 to make, okay? That's why deving meme coins is so lucrative, because we're risking nothing, okay? Even Cups here is saying that deving meme coins is a new wave. It's actually insane. The coin is down, but bro, more and more people are going to see the coin and they're going to ape in, okay? There's thousands of people that are looking at our coin right now, so just let the coin run for a bit, okay? And you guys will see it should potentially go higher and higher. I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to load and for it to pump. When I come back, we will cash out and I will show you the payout. Alright guys, I am back. Now look, we are at the 5k market cap, which is not too shabby. Now it's time to actually dump our supply and then see how much we're up, right? So come back to create meme when you want to do that and cash out, and then click on the refresh button to check your profits. And as you guys can see here, bro, 1.9k is what we are going to receive. It does change every single second, right? But yeah, click on the mouse button. Here you can do 100%, remove liquidity, wait for your phantom wallet to just pop up real quick, and then ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. And bang, guys, just like that, we just did a whole launch from start to right now. Now look, if I open my wallet, I did receive the payout, right? It's instant since we confirmed it in Phantom, and now you can just do that over and over again. But do not get me wrong, bro. The results will vary from coin to coin. It all depends on what you're copying. It all depends on the time, the volume, the markets. A lot of factors comes into doing this. 1.9k is usually graded as a semi-viral coin. Sometimes you might make just a couple $100, $20, $10k, you never know. Anyways, you have to be consistent, bro. Launch a couple coins and then yeah, create meme.io will be linked in the comments down below in the description. Join my Discord, join my Telegram, like, comment, subscribe. I would highly recommend that, bro. And I love you all. Peace out.